Okay.
So you're going to come right around this way. For the shoulders, you're going to use a point of reference of the shoulder point, which is right over here. There's a bone in this area. From here, it's muscle. So where this bone is located right here, that is going to be the shoulder point. If you measure any point from this, it's going to give him linebacker shoulders. So on this side, you'd be able to see the shoulder point. And you can come to the front here. The shoulder point is located right there.
The two, like in the waist, they're like a dress. So then if I get something that fits.
So make sure when you're measuring the shoulders, you go over the bone in the back of the neck. And then you stop at the other shoulder point bone located right here. So Patrick's shoulders are 18.5 inches.
Sure, so yeah, I'm not sure that can
How you measure the sleeve is from the shoulder point. This is very important. You take the shoulder measurement over the bone and you stop at the other shoulder point. Place your finger on the tape where that last shoulder point ends, which is 18.5 inches for Patrick. And then you place the tape at the end point and you measure down the sleeve. Ask them to straighten out their arm completely and point their fingers down and together. Measure down the sleeve, and you're going to stop at this dip inside of the hand, right here. So, excuse me, Claire. So as you can see, Patrick's sleeve is 26 inches.
26 around, probably, too.
The chest is pretty self-explanatory. For the waist, there's going to be 3 waist measurements. The upper waist, and that is where the waist dips in on a guy. So this would be the upper waist here. As if you pull out all this extra fabric, you can visibly see that this is where the waist dips in. So this is the upper waist. Right here is going to be the lower and the pant waist. So how you take those measurements is arms out. You take the upper waist first. Arms down. So Patrick's upper waist measurement is 33.5 inches.
Are you changing from vertical to horizontal?
Yeah.
It's going to be disoriented.
Trying to get the best camera operation.
For the lower waist, you want to make sure that you measure over the fullest part of the lower waist. Again, any love handles, sides, humps, that is the point you're going to take the measurement. It has to be at the fullest part of the lower waist. The underwear waistband makes a pretty good point of reference. So you measure around. If they have a stomach, you're going to measure around the fullest part of the stomach. But Patrick's lower waist is going to be 34.5 inches. Okay, so it's about an inch difference. Jacket length. So from the jacket length, you measure from the base of the hips. The hips are located here, which is the fullest part of the butt. You measure down to the bottom of the hips, move that over to the side seam of the pants, place a mark, and then have them turn forward, and you transfer that to the front of the pant leg, which is the other coinciding mark. You're going to measure from the base of the neck, as if they're sliced right in half through their shoulder. You do the base of the neck, down the fullest part of the chest, all the way down to the pin. When in doubt, always measure longer, as we can shorten, but we cannot lengthen jackets. So Patrick's jacket length is 31.5 inches.
Yes.
Crotch measurement. So for the crotch measurement, you're going to remove your belt. I'm actually going to do the waistband, the crotch, and thigh measurement.
Okay, stopping video 1.